All right, fifth graders. Once again, freeze, pause the video, write this down. We're going to be looking at polygons today to start off here in chapter 11. All right, and so I want you to be able to write down this table that's got the different types of polygons and how many sides there are. We have triangles, which have 3 sides, quadrilaterals, which have 4 sides. Now, we're going to have a special day talking about quadrilaterals and triangles both, focusing on just those. But a general 4-sided figure is what we call a quadrilateral. A pentagon is a 5-sided figure. A hexagon is a 6-sided figure. A septagon is a 7-sided figure. And an octagon is an 8-sided figure. So I want you to pause the video and I want you to write this chart down so you have it to look at. And pause now. You should be writing it down right now. And unpause. All right. So that has been written down now. Let me grab my paper towel to erase it. And we will refer to that chart that you have written down in this assignment. So, all right. I want you to write this down too, or something to think about. If all of the sides of a polygon are congruent, then it is called a regular polygon. If all of the sides of a polygon are congruent, then it is called a regular polygon. All right, so we want you to know that. Regular polygon, all of the sides are congruent. Okay, so this is what's happening here in your assignment today. To start with, it's going to tell you to name each polygon, then tell whether it is a regular polygon or not a regular polygon. All right, so let's start. Number 1. We're going to imagine that these lines are perfectly straight. Now these are symbols for angles, showing that there's an angle here, an angle here, and an angle here. And since I have the same symbol for all 3 of them, that means that all of the angles are the same. You'll also see that I'm going to put these lines here, okay? Since I have a line through each of these, that line indicates that all 3 of those sides are the same, okay? So what I have here is a triangle. So that's the polygon. It's a 3-sided figure. So it's a triangle. And since all of the sides are the same, I can see that by the lines going through. I know it's a regular polygon. And that's all I do. Let me look at another one. Number 2. All right. So I have a figure that looks like this. There's my figure. It's a polygon. Well, first, what type is it? Well, let's count the sides. Here's a side. 1, 2. That one there makes 3. This one there makes 4. That one there makes 5. It is a 5-sided figure. That makes it a pentagon. Well, you may say, Mr. Swack, when I think of a pentagon, that's not what it looks like. That's okay. If it's a 5-sided figure and it's closed, it is considered a pentagon. Now, are all of these sides the same length? Clearly not. Just by looking at it, I can tell that these different parts of it are different sizes. So this is definitely not a regular polygon. All right, well, let's look at one more. All right. So let's say I have this figure here. All right, and I have lines going through all of them, which is an indicator that all of the sides are the same length. Okay, so first of all, we want to count how many sides we have. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6 sides. So according to my table, that is a hexagon. And since I have these indicators that tell me that all of these sides are the same length, that tells me that it is a regular polygon. All right, 5th grade, we'll work on this Wednesday, April the 29th. Talk to you later. Bye.